Here's what's kind of peculiar about this case because of the way it impacts preconceived notions in politics. This Landor versus a Louisiana Department of Corrections involves this Mr. Landor, who was a Rastafarian who did not cut his hair for, I don't know if it was 20 or 30 years, but a significant length of time, and then was transferred to a penitentiary in Louisiana. And a guard or warden there decided that his hair was not well kept and not commensurate with that institution's requirements, and ordered him to be restrained and have his hair cut involuntarily from his body. And he gave the guy the decision maker in that little moment, maybe not like the head of the thing who wasn't in the room, but he provided a copy of a federal court order that said that the Louisiana law that allowed that was violative of his federal rights. So he's got a claim. Now, here's what's kind of peculiar about this case. He's suing individually. He wants to sue the person who ordered it done, because basically it's like the giving of the order says, you've been presented with this order, you've chosen to ignore it, so you've willfully violated the federal court ruling. It shouldn't just be limited to suing the Louisiana Department of Corrections, for instance, but I should be able to sue you personally, you, the employee who did this to me. And if you flip the facts around, okay, and make it a kind of more conservative-friendly exposition. So if it was a bureaucrat in New York City who denied somebody their gun permit because they didn't like it, even though the federal court said you have to issue this or something like that, we could think about these things on different sides of the political spectrum. Do we want the ability to hold individuals personally liable when they violate the rights of others in their roles as as government actors?